handsome guy, and I felt manly, but not with the hair loss. My procedure went very, very well. Everybody was very, very accommodating, friendly. I feel better about myself now. It's impacted my life. I feel better. I feel like it was a good investment. This is a long-term benefit for me, so I'm very happy with what I did. I recommend Dr. Bolton highly. He's a great guy, does nice work. I recommend him to everybody. It was very simple, very, very simple procedure. Hey Doc, you know people have jars with suckers in them? You should have a jar with combs in them, so people can grab a comb when they leave. Perfect. They'll need it later.
Good idea, thanks.
We did a max harvest hair transplant procedure on James in 2006. Gosh, 8 years ago.
8 years ago, and it's looking better every day, it seems. You sat me down and you wouldn't let me leave until you convinced me that this could be fixed. I could tell you were very sincere and, more than anything, very dedicated to what you were doing. I'm so grateful that I did come to you. Well, I couldn't be happier either, and I appreciate you and I appreciate your expertise and the artist in you.
Thank you so much, man. Well, I appreciate you coming in. Thank
Absolutely.
you very much for everything.
Team we have here, you know, that's something I've never experienced anywhere else. You know, day by day they call you, you have the cell phone of the doctor. This is beyond expectation. This is no Photoshop, this is no internet, this is all real. I'm a real person.
Dr. Bolton, he creates miracles here. He's going to be less expensive than the other quality doctors who are doing this procedure, so you're not having to repeat the procedure every year and chasing your results and hoping to get density this time. That won't happen here.
Do you remember that guy?
I don't remember that guy. I don't remember that guy.
You don't remember him at all? Look at this.
It's different.
You see that shine?
Yeah.
And that's what we did, man.
That's a wonderful job. I like it, you know, so far.
How about with women? How is it with the hair with women?
They say, hey, I like your hair.
Excellent.
You know, so.
Alright, so what we did was a max harvest hair transplant. Because they heal so perfect. You can just see that little tiny trace line. That's it. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Perfect.
I'm glad, you know, and I can come in the office, see my doctor, and then hook me up more.
Congratulations.
I know, you're the best.
Thank you.
You know.
A friend of mine told me about him, so I came here. So I said, well, I will give him a try, and I came here and I realized that's the place that I was looking for. He looked great, very good density. He looks totally different. Thank you very much.